This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Kled. Rumble, the mechanized menace, is an AP bruiser known for his sustained damage and powerful area of effect abilities, especially his equalizer ultimate. Kled, the cantankerous cavalier, is an AD diver who excels in aggressive, all-in engagements, often remounting his trusty steed, Scarl, to continue the fight. Understanding these core differences is crucial for choosing the right champion for your playstyle. Rumble shines with his strong lane presence and incredible teamfight potential, especially when his equalizer lands perfectly, dealing significant area damage over 5 seconds. However, he can be vulnerable to heavy crowd control. Kled, on the other hand, boasts incredible diving capabilities and high burst damage, often surviving lethal blows by remounting Scarl. His main weakness is being easily kited when dismounted, making his all-ins predictable. Rumble is ideal in team compositions that can protect him, allowing him to unleash his sustained damage and powerful ultimate. He often performs well against melee champions who struggle to escape his flamethrower. Kled excels when his team can follow up on his aggressive dives, especially against squishy targets he can quickly eliminate. Rumble struggles against highly mobile champions, while Kled can be countered by strong disengage or burst damage that prevents his remount. Ultimately, the choice between Rumble and Kled depends on your preferred playstyle. If you enjoy sustained damage, area of effect control, and strategic teamfighting, Rumble is an excellent choice. His equalizer can cover 1,000 units, creating massive zone control. If you prefer aggressive, all-in engagements, high burst damage, and diving enemy backlines, Kled is your champion. His ultimate, Chayaj, provides a massive movement speed boost for himself and allies, covering 3,500 units. Both offer unique and rewarding experiences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.